Hi guys, it's Kate from Let's Update Academy. When it comes to your IELTS speaking test, using idiomatic phrases has a great importance. It can increase your chance of getting a 7+ in your speaking test. Today, let's look some of the idiomatic phrases with animals in it. Let's look. Let's look at the first example. It's a cat nap. It means a quick sleep or a small sleep. I'll give you an example. I usually take a cat nap in the afternoon to make myself feel relaxed. Second one is raining cats and dogs. You can use this idiom when it's raining heavily out. I really want to go for shopping, but it's raining cats and dog out. When there is a high competition or a struggle for power, you can use an idiom called rat race. I quit my job in the corporate world because of the rat race. The final one is dog days. Do you know what is a dog day? The hottest period of the year is known as dog days. The camping was really tiring due to summer dog days. Okay, that's it. You should use these type of idioms wisely at right appropriate time or right context in your speaking. Don't overuse these idioms. So try it out. Bye-bye.